Back when I was a child, before I removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother, and he and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was lost. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, play me a song that will never, never end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again.
And now may I call in the mother of the group, Mrs. Luceria S. de la Cruz, to dance with his son, Mr. Rexes de la Cruz.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue.